Today we are going to learn how to repair broken plastic trims. Now this can be done perfectly with some help of super glue and one more thing, which is this dirt, actually dirt, or otherwise I have to spend like $1,000 for this new trim, which can be joined back again with the help of super glue and some soil. Clean this portion and this before you apply super glue. Place the broken piece on the exactly same manner from where it was broken. Now after placing the part on the place, put some super glue. Now put some dust on it. On all of the sides. Shake the excess dust off. And put some more super glue. As the super glue will dry, it will compress the dust and join the two parts together more strongly. It's done.